Vanessa, the Crafty Gemini, and I'm super excited that WeCreat sent me their new Vista 10W diode laser cutter and engraving machine. Now this one, you can see it's side by side here next to the 20W laser, which is their Vision, and that one's a lot taller. So this is more designed towards the hobby crafter or the home crafter. So if you've been on the market for a while for a new laser, definitely keep watching so I can share with you my experience on this one. It's pretty straightforward. First of all, it comes really well packaged. So you're just removing kind of the foam and some little screws. You just follow the instructions. It's super simple and straightforward. Anybody can do it. I'm putting in the little crumb catch tray here so that it catches the bits of whatever you're cutting in your projects. Then it has these slats that go there to help keep your material in place. So that's really helpful. And the rest is really just plug and play. Okay, on the back side, we have all our cords. You just follow the simple one page of instructions. They even have step-by-step videos that you can watch. Here I'm installing the exhaust hose, and I have that large window behind it here, and so I just run it out that window, and that works really great for me. You just screw everything on. It comes with a full box of tools and all the little parts that you need. Super, super simple. Here I have a side-by-side image of the Vista 10W laser and the Vision 20W laser, which is on the right side. So you can see this is a lot shorter. So if you're more limited on space in terms of height, this would be probably a better option for you. They have their own software program that's super simple to install. There's a QR code. You can go to the link, download it. I'm using a MacBook Pro here, and I had no problems using the software on my Mac. I know sometimes with some machines that can be an issue. I've imported a little file here for some Halloween earrings that I'm going to cut, and I just place them where I want it. Once you hit refresh, the camera kind of shows you your material, so you can click and drag your item where exactly you want it to cut out of. So once the machine cuts everything out, you can see how cute, how clean the cuts are. This is 3mm basswood, and look at how small the eyes and the mouth are on the bats, and it worked out perfectly for me. So I was super happy with this first run. That, of course, then I had to go back in and make myself some more Halloween earrings. So this is a file that I got from Creative Fabrica. I'll include my affiliate link for this file where you can get it in the description box below. Did the same thing, imported the files, set them all to cut. You adjust the size to however big you want them, and you hit start on the laser. And you can see it's a fully enclosed laser, which is really great and safe. Okay, so you can stand there and just watch it, cut out all your designs and whatever project you're working on. Once it stops, I go ahead and click complete, and then I can open the laser up, and you can see this. We have little ghosts. Look how cute these turned out. And then, of course, some spiders, which I'm going to turn into my Black Widow earrings. I think they turned out great. They're a great size, and using 3mm basswood makes them so that they're super, super lightweight to wear. After my earring blanks were cut out, I grabbed this set of 30 acrylic paint markers that I got from Ohuhu, and it comes with these two cards, one white and one black, so that as you pump the markers up and down, they are double tipped, okay? A broader tip on one side. You can see how I'm pumping it up and down here. Once the paint starts to flow, you can just draw a couple lines on each of the cards, and that gives you a good idea of how exactly that specific paint color is going to show up on different color materials. Because they are paint markers, you can paint on a ton of different surfaces, okay? So I like to use them for my wooden earrings here because I can get some really fine detail with the finer tip point. This is the broader one. Since I'm coloring a larger area here, I went ahead and used that tip, but you can obviously flip it over as well and then use the finer tip for finer details, like I'm doing right here, going right up to the edge so that it doesn't go over. And then I'm going to use orange here for my jack-o'-lantern earrings. I think that's going to look amazing. Remember that if you do one layer and you let it dry, you can always go back in with another paint layer if you want that color to look a little bit bolder. Now I'm painting the spiders here just solid black. I was happy to see that it was a really like dark black. It wasn't like fading into the wood or anything. Once this dries, I'll go back in and add the red mark of the Black Widow spiders. For the bats, I also went ahead and painted those earrings completely black. Make sure that you let one side dry and then flip it over and do the same color combination on the other side if you want it to, obviously. But that way, because I'm turning these into French hook earrings, as you move your head, you'll be able to see both sides of the earring. So I definitely want to make sure that both sides look good, right? And that they look the same. Once they're all dry, turning them into earrings is really simple. I take pliers in each hand and I open up the split ring, slip the earring on, and then I slip on the French hook. So they both go onto the split ring and then you close it up. And that's it. That's one earring. Done. So cute, so easy, and super lightweight. And that's it. You're just going to repeat the process to turn every single one of your blanks into actual earrings. Make sure that you close that split ring really nice and good so nothing slips out of it. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed checking out how I use my WeCreat Vista 10W laser as well as the Ohuhu acrylic paint markers to make this really cool set of earrings. Remember that you can always find links to everything I used in the description box below, as well as any relevant coupon codes. Thanks again for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I will see y'all in the next one.